project we've been working on is the creek monitoring project for Hatley Creek and Colwood Creek for 2024. This is a continuation of a project that's been ongoing since 2019. Our client is Royal Roads University, and in particular Sharon McMillan. Our faculty advisor for this project is Dr. Jonathan Moran.
For this project, we'll be monitoring Hatley Creek and Colwood Creek, which are lying here on the traditional lands of the Esquimalt and Songhees Nation. This is Royal Roads University campus, and the creeks are freshwater creeks that run through campus before emptying into the Esquimalt Lagoon, which is an important sanctuary for migrating birds. So both the creeks are freshwater. Hatley Creek is entirely spring-fed. It emerges here on campus. And Colwood Creek is a mixture of springs and runoff from the watershed that runs through Colwood and Langford cities. So it has a mixture of urban and rural landscapes, runoff from lakes, and different factors that influence the health of the ecosystem.
Monitoring Hatley and Colwood Creeks, its ecosystems, and analyzing the sediments that make it is crucial when things are changing due to climate change. When temperature changes, when flow patterns change, it can affect the overall aquatic habitat of the two creeks.
The area around here is used by the community very heavily. So on any given day, you can see people around enjoying the forest, and you can see lots of wildlife interacting with the creeks.
We just set up one of our trail cameras here at Hatley Creek. We're in between a couple of the sampling sites, hoping to see what kind of wildlife species we can find, whether it's bears, mink, otters, trout, maybe coho salmon. We'll see.
Monitoring these creeks is really important to figure out how water quality is affecting everything in the ecosystem.
This environmental monitoring project helps us assess the current health of the two ecosystems, identify environmental stressors, and provide conservation measures to protect the biodiversity and the water quality of the Hatley and Colwood creeks.
And it's quite an interesting project. We get to do a lot of things in it. We get to perform plenty of water quality monitoring right on the river itself. There's several handheld meters that we use to examine different metrics. We also get to actually examine the actual life that's in the area of the river. We'll be performing some fish trapping in the spring just to examine the different species and species counts of fish that we can find. And we'll also be examining benthic invertebrates, which will involve digging up various insects and other creatures in the river, and I guess just examining them and letting them go.
As of right now, we've completed 4 sampling events along Hatley and Colwood Creeks. We completed 2 in January on the 16th and 30th, and 2 in February on the 13th and 27th. During those 4 sampling events, we noticed quite a change in temperature, water levels, and we noticed some stable readings for salinity, total dissolved solids, and pH. With the recent precipitation and snowfall that we've received, we're curious on how the water levels will change in the next coming weeks.
This monitoring project will give us early warning signs of current environmental disturbances, and that will give us a chance to be able to respond in a timely manner to protect the biodiversity, the surrounding communities, and the downstream Esquimalt Lagoon.